welcome to Beauty and Food, and I'm your host today, Gladys. So we are going to try some Taiwan food today, and we are at Taiwan House. So let's go. So right now I have jajangmyeon noodles in front of me. What is jajangmyeon noodles? Jajangmyeon noodle is the minced meat with the noodles. So this one is with minced chicken and the dry noodles and also some veggie on top. So I'm going to mix it all and try it on. Wow, it smells really good. The fragrance is really good for these noodles. Now let's try. The noodle is like very soft, so it's not that kind of tender noodles, but it tastes very soft and very smooth. So it's like it will melt in your mouth, that kind of taste. So when the meat is mixed around with the noodles and the fragrance of all the sauce and the noodles, and it mixed around, like you have some chewy and some tender from the meat, and also some soft taste, smooth taste from the noodles. This is very nice. So now let us try the secret recipe, honey chicken wing. Let me try the sauce first. It's not like those western style of honey chicken. This one is mixed with maybe some of their secret sauces. So it tastes like sweet and a bit of fragrant smell. And I realized that they have this leaf, and their taste, they cover, this leaf is actually curry leaf, is it? So it tastes very fragrance. The fragrance smell is very good. Wow, look at the chicken. It's fresh and it's not oily. The chicken is not like those soft one. It will have a bit tender. This is good. So maybe we can try on the signature. The beef noodle. This is their signature. So look at the beef. Wow. This smells good. Let me try. The soup is like full of the beef taste. It's very good if you like beef. This is their Taiwanese style. The noodle is very good. It's actually like just now the jajangmyeon noodles. It's smooth and it's soft, and you can just slurp it on. This is Taiwanese style of pancake. They call it spring onion pancake. It's crispy and it's very a thin layer, and it smells good. Well, after tasting all this, let me give you some food of thought. For me, jajangmyeon noodle I would give like 7 out of 10 because I prefer soup noodles, and this one definitely definitely I will give like 8 out of 10 because it really tastes very good and the soup is very mouthful. And for the honey chicken, I will give like 7 out of 10 as well. And this one, spring onion pancake, I also give 7 out of 10. Well, thanks for watching with Beauty and Food. So I'm Gladys and let's go for the next food. Bye!